Is creatine monohydrate truly the best form of creatine? In this quick video, we're gonna find out just that. Creatine is one of the most researched and most effective fitness supplements out there. And if you ask any muscular bro at the gym, they'll proudly tell you that they are indeed taking creatine and how you can save an amazing 5% off your own first order of creatine using the referral code. There's also a good chance that they'll tell you that creatine monohydrate is the best. And frankly, if you're only looking for a surface level recommendation for creatine, then you're pretty much done with this video because that is largely the truth. But if you are more curious about how other creatine forms stack up and want to continue pretending that watching informative videos means you're, quote, being productive when you're actually just procrastinating, then the rest of this video is perfect for you. To put it mildly, compared to creatine monohydrate, the scientific research for alternative forms of creatine is severely lacking. Yet, that doesn't seem to stop supplement manufacturers from claiming that these alternatives are superior. Now, they might have a point if superior means the same as disappointing. Truth be told, however, although not superior to monohydrate, a lot of popular alternatives like magnesium creatine chelate have at least shown similar benefits. Being similar, of course, is not bad. The only problem, though, is that being similar to monohydrate is all manufacturers needed to justify jacking up prices. According to a 2024 review of creatine supplements sold on Amazon, monohydrate on average cost about 12 US cents per gram. All other forms, however, cost more than twice that, at an average of 26 cents per gram, with magnesium creatine specifically costing 5 times the price. Now keep this in mind as we look at more popular alternatives. There's creatine creatine, which is actually creatine monohydrate but buffered to a higher pH level. Some companies claim this makes creatine more stable and 10 times more powerful with less side effects. Unfortunately, the only thing 10 times more powerful is their bullshit, since creatine has also shown to be no better than standard creatine monohydrate in both performance and safety. Creatine hydrochloride, or creatine HCl, also show no superior benefits despite claiming better absorbability. In fairness, it is indeed more soluble than monohydrate, which in powder form is easier to mix and drink. And essentially, the same lack of superior benefits and sometimes worse benefits is found for many of the remaining popular alternatives like creatine gluconate, creatine citrate, and creatine malate. Now, it's not all disappointment. Creatine nitrate does have limited evidence suggesting superior benefits specifically for exercise endurance. We'll need more research to say for sure, though. But perhaps the most interesting alternative is actually a creatine acid precursor known as GAA. Preliminary evidence indicates that GAA can potentially be legitimately superior to monohydrate by enhancing both creatine and protein synthesis within the body. Only problem, though, is that it also has some potentially serious metabolic side effects. Again, more research will be great, especially on mitigating those side effects. But now we have a gist of how all these other creatine forms stack up, or rather, how they don't seem to stack up much at all. At least that's what the science currently shows. But as we know, just like your significant other while picking what's for dinner, science is fickle and often changing its mind. If anything does change, you can bet I'll let you know right away. I'm glad I've been of use for your procrastination. Feel free to procrastinate with my other videos. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a supplemental thumbs up and share it with your creatine-loving friends. Subscribe for more and let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to get your protein.